Chemical engineering, the profession actually is about 100 years old, and the profession, it arose from the need for us to actually make better use of the natural resources that we have on our planet. I'm Vikram Yadav. I'm an assistant professor of chemical and biological engineering. The chemical and biological engineering department at UBC offers two undergraduate degree programs. One is the classic chemical engineering, and the second one is chemical and biological engineering.
My name's Sean Macbeth. I'm a graduate student in the Department of Chemical Engineering studying water treatment research. Chemical biological engineering is a huge range of things, so I think a lot of people have the idea that it might just be oil and gas research, but there's a whole green engineering portion of it.
It's things that you actually find every day. It's the plastic in your watch. It could even be the materials that make your clothing. My name is Joseph English, and I'm an undergraduate student. I'm the co-president of the undergraduate club here. If it wasn't for the field of chemical engineering, we might have a very different landscape.
Such a broad range, from natural resources to high tech to healthcare. You can apply it in almost everywhere in your life. My name is Colleen Chow, and I'm a chemical and biological engineering alumni. The ChemiCart is a student undergrad team. A group of undergrad students will build a chemical powered car, and then we race it in a competition.
Your degree is what you make out of it, so it's not just a piece of paper or what you've learned, it's really the 4 or 5 years of your life. So I'm Anjari, and I'm a 4th year student. I'm also the co-president of Chemical and Biological Engineering undergraduates this year. There's a lot of activities that we put on as a student council.
You're spending a lot of your days with the people that you're graduating, going to classes with, and eventually going out after classes as well. But it's really a family by the time you're at your 4th year.
Our laboratories provide students excellent training. You are exposed to miniaturized industrial processes, essentially smaller versions of the real processes that you see in the industry.
Right now we're in the biodiesel lab, and in this lab we create biodiesel, so a more environmentally and socially responsible way of getting energy.
What we're seeing is that environmental engineering has essentially fused into chemical engineering. So all the processes, all the engineering that we do, environmental responsibility is the #1 design rule that we have to follow.
For example, chemical and biological engineer work in water treatment plants. We take courses about air pollution control. We learn how to make use of alternative energies and how to improve these processes.
The research ecosystem at UBC is amongst the very best in the world. What ends up happening to a lot of our undergraduate students after they've been exposed to this rich collection of research topics is that a lot of them eventually decide to pursue medical school or graduate school in some of the very best universities in the world.
Chemical and biological engineering just opens so many doors. It's very versatile, so if you look around you, anything that you see, it involves any process in making that product. You can work in that industry.
It is a truly transformative experience for our students because it opens up career options and their horizons in ways they had never even thought about before.
I think if you're interested in an exciting and challenging career in production and also sustainable engineering, then this might be the field for you.